But Anna, I want to thank you for your photography in the background. We love you for that. Thank you so much.
Perhaps everybody who wants could turn on his video so that we can get on the photo.
Get another photo by turning on your video. Anybody who wants to.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Regina and Andrea would have to switch on the German light.
Yeah, so on the first screen, I would need Navanita, Regina, Brian, and who's between Regina and Marilyn? Langlois. Okay. I need everyone to turn on their screen before the photo, or it looks.
Here we are. You can hide non-participant video. I can turn them off.
How do you do that?
Michael Boyer, yeah, and Brian Gerard.
Yeah, so Brian, if Brian can put on his video, we're good to go for a series of quick photos.
Hey, I'm looking at how I might be able to turn off non-participant videos without upsetting the apple cart here.
Just go into any one that's just a name and not a photo. Go to their 3 dots and you'll see a little option.
Thank you.
Yes, I did that. I clicked on all of them.
Okay.
So far, it didn't yet work. Perhaps they're not there.
It looks like we almost, Howard, can you put on your video, please? Okay.
There we go.
I think that we have everyone on screen. So let's do a series of photos. So is it okay on the count of 3 if you unmute and you say 1, 2, 3, and then you say dignity? Because I just feel like that makes for the best pictures. We're going to do a series of these, okay?
Hang on just a second.
Ready?
Can I check with Georg? Georg, did you have something that you wanted to say?
Okay.
No. I just wanted to wave.
Okay. Okay, Anna, great. All right, we're in business. Anna,
Navanita, don't go away. Yeah.
I'm here.
1, 2, 3. Dignity.
Dignity.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Dignity. Do a series of hearts like Linda and Evelyn are doing, but make them under your face. 1, 2, 3. Love.
love.
Let's do another love one. 1, 2, 3. Love. Okay, and now let's do peace.
Oh,
1, 2, 3. Peace. Okay, another one. 1, 2, 3. Peace. Can anyone think of any affirmative, positive words they want to throw out for our last 2 pictures?
Hope.
Hope. That's a great one. Okay.
Ice cream.
Okay. 2, 3. Hope.
What about Tony? We want to see
We
Tony.
have to do. We're going to do one more hope, and then we're going to do ice cream.
What about Tony? We want to see Tony, don't we?
I think Tony's already gone. Oh, no, there he is.
Oh, he's here.
1, 2, 3. Hope.
Go.
Okay, now we're going to do ice cream and then abolish the police. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ice cream.
Ah.
And now Tony, for Tony, abolish the police. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Abolish the
Police.
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 Wow.
How about one more? Justice. Okay.
Justice. Yeah.
2,
Justice.
3.
Justice.
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 Okay. Thank you, everyone. Let's hope we have a few good photos in there.
And so with that, I'm going to thank all of you. What an amazing day. Thanks for sticking around to check in. Oh, we can see you better, Regina. And oh, I'm so happy to see you from Germany. And we're looking forward to tomorrow. And Marilyn, thanks for being with us. And Isabel and all of you. Karen, I know the camera is still a little bit of a problem, but we hope we get to start over tomorrow. And hopefully we'll get some bugs out. But thank you for making it an amazing day, everyone. And go out and get some rest and recover, or join Lyndon Harris's wonderful Signalog session. Bye bye.
I think we have a second page of participants.
Pardon me, Georg?
Oh,
Yes,
we
the
did
second-
have a second, we
second
did
page.
have a second page, but they jumped off. I don't see a second page on my screen.
Yeah, that's
We
the
have
group
only
that
22
They're
participants.
gone.
they're gone. They're gone,
Right.
Georg. Yeah,
Okay.
that's it. All right. Nice to see you, Howard. Amazing to me. All
Yeah.
right. Bye, everyone.
Good night.
Bye.
Beautiful
Good
job.
Hi.
Linda, you look like a television moderator.
Trying to be as good as you.
Loved your TV show today.
I'm trying to be as good as you. If I could only see you in action, but I'm doing my best. Bye, everyone. Thanks so much.